Hey, it's Matty P. I am here in Aceh, Sumatra, Indonesia. I'm hanging out at my friend Eddie's homestay, and it's one of my favorite places to stay here. He's also an incredible chef, so today he's gonna teach us a very classic staple that everyone at the homestay loves. It's a vegetarian, vegan one called Tempe Tofu Tumis. So just look how much I like this dish. You can see I'm enjoying Coke Zero quite a bit. I also tend to drink some beer, as it is on the menu. I have a lot of banana bread, but also for dinner, 12 times I have had the Tempe Tofu Tumis. Tumis! See, look, beer.
Hello everyone, I'm Eddie. So I would like to show you how to cook Tempe Tofu Tumis. I mean like Eddie's Tempe Tofu Tumis. So you have to prepare ingredients something like this. So bay leaf, lemongrass, onion, and another onions, like kind of onions too, the same thing.
Two kinds
of onion if you like it. This tempeh, tofu, a little bit ginger, 2 chilies because Matt Spencer doesn't like chili. I put 2 because he hates spicy. Yeah?
I love spicy.
Oh really? Oh, okay. Let's put 2 only. That's quite enough. And look at this. It's tomatoes. And a little bit tomato and onion, spring onion.
Yeah.
And tofu tempeh.
And ginger, right?
And ginger
right there.
Right. And this pork. Look at this pork, and we can put in the last one when cook, almost cooked, and then we have to put this one. Okay. Right. Before we start, we have to make a. So we make a hot oil a little bit.
Yeah.
And then before we start, we have to take off of this. Slowly.
Is this your most popular dish?
You have to cut. Yeah, I think so. Most of my guests ask about Tempe Tofu Tumis. Most of them, they like it so much. This we have to put inside like this because we have to put a little bit salt.
Okay.
And
I love how you use the real ingredients. You always use real lemongrass, not like a powdered mix like a lot of people do, you know?
Right, because this is make food a little bit tasty also.
Yeah, and the real bay leaf.
Yeah, and then not too much salt, just a little bit, and then you just do like this. And you fry this one first, and then tofu. So let oil a little bit hot, and then we have to prepare another pan to do stirring. We put a little bit oil, not too much. Not too oily. Make not too oily, just for stirring garlic and onion.
Yeah, I was saying, Eddie, I'm not vegetarian, but when I'm at your place, I love the vegetarian stuff so much. I end up eating a lot of vegetarian.
Right. And before we start, also we have to prepare also Kecap Manis. But some people they like salty. Ketchup, or we call that soya, and this soya, the sweet one.
So a bit of both.
So better both. Not both. It depends people what they like.
Okay.
Some our guests like salty one. Some they like the sweet one. Okay. Right. Before we start, we prepare this first, and easy to put in the bottle, and easy to put.
So in Indonesian, it's called kecap.
Kecap, but. Whereas, I mean, in your country, ketchup is tomato, right? Here, you call this Kecap Manis, the sweet one like this.
Sweet ketchup.
Yeah, it's very thick, isn't it? And this is a salty one.
That's a like classic kind of soy sauce, salty soy sauce, yeah.
Yeah, correct.
Kecap asin.
Yeah. The ingredient, as you saw over there, but if you like more chili, you can add more chili.
How many chilies do you have when you do it?
It depends. Some people I put a lot of the small chili and the red one. Don't forget the pepper.
Yeah.
Pepper also. That's it. Very simple ingredients, right? And a little bit this one. But if you want to add more like carrot, up to you. You can add more everything like another veg like cabbage or whatever you want. Just put it.
And what does tumis mean again?
Tumis means stirring with
like a stir fry.
Stir. That's little oil, not too much oil. Otherwise oily, not good for your body. And then we fry. First we fried tempeh. So for people that don't eat tempeh very much, it's kind of like a harder tofu, I guess. It's still made out of soybean.
Is that right? Still made out of soybeans?
Yeah, soybean and tofu. And because tofu quick to fry, it's very get quick cook. Better we fry tempeh a little bit, and then we can jump this.
So this one
also.
softer takes even less time.
Yeah, last time better. Otherwise, if this one cook early, then this one is not nice. So we can fry twice. I mean, first time this one and second time this one. But we manage the time to make quick. Maybe you're in a rush or something. Better you do at the same time. It means not the same time that together. First tempeh and then this one the last one. So now because this almost cooked,
it's so
and
fast.
then now we can put this.
Yeah, getting crispy and browned up already.
And then we take off this one. See the tofu?
Yeah, looks so good, nice and crispy. Oh yeah. How do you know when it's done?
Done, you can feel it like it's already brown or something, but it depends. If you really like crispy, you just leave that 1 more minute or something, but it depends on how it looks like, how you like it. See this? The tofu done.
Yeah, just lightly brown, yeah.
Brown a little bit. Now we can take off. So to make not too much, not oily, we have to take like this to not directly to put in the plate, but we just hang like this a little bit, and then the oil not absorb too much.
So good already, man.
Done.
Whoa.
Now is for this step 1. So you have to make sure you have bay leaf, lemongrass, onion, and another onion. 2 kinds of onion if available in your country. But I don't know. I'm sure in your country. You have this one.
We get the red
and
the
this ginger.
2 chilies because I'm
2
weak.
chilies, yeah. Right. So now we fry this lemongrass.
Start with that one.
Yeah.
Flavor the oil.
Yeah. And then after lemongrass, you start with bay leaf and onion. Okay. Take a little bit. So this ginger, we have to put ginger. Yeah, ginger, man. Love it. Yeah. And then put chili. Ew. And then just put a little salt, not too much. Not too much. Not too much. You shake again. Wash your hands, very important. Always wash your hands for healthy. Isn't it? For healthy, wash your hand all the time. And put pepper.
Okay, just black pepper.
Black pepper. Yeah. Not too much too, because Spencer cannot too spicy. And put tomato. And this, the last you put.
Okay, so this cooks so fast.
Yeah, so fast. Look at it.
Ah, it's looking good already.
Yeah, and then very easy to cook this. Put this one, tempeh.
I think that's one of the reasons people love the Tempe Tofu Tumis so much here, because it's very fast to make, and Eddie whips it up so fast. Everyone's surfed out and hungry, and then boom! Oh, here comes
And
sauce.
now put soya.
Soy sauce.
Soya.
Yeah, the colors look so nice.
And now it's time to put the last one, this one, the onion roll. I don't know what you call that.
Yeah, we call it
Green
green onion or scallion.
Or Scallions. You can put like, also maybe you have like, the green one, what it's called? Like,
I don't know.
kind of like that. So, and then the last one, put this, the pork roast.
Ooh,
You see this one?
it's like
Yeah,
so simple, so natural,
yeah,
and quick.
very quick.
Oh, coriander.
And then you can
Ah.
this one is coriander, the last one.
Okay.
You put like this, is fine too. That's for smell only. So done.
Man,
Already done.
habis.
Habis. Selesai. Not habis. Selesai.
Okay.
Done.
Habis means finished.
So prepare your plate and here it is. You can see lemongrass.
So beautiful, Eddie. Damn.
So Tempe Tofu Tumis is ready.
Damn. Thanks,
Thank
Eddie.
you and welcome to Eddie's Homestay.
Yeah.
Thank you. See you soon.
Thanks, Eddie. Oh man, it's so good. I can't stop eating it for dinner or lunch. It's definitely just lunchtime right now. But let's try this famous Eddie's Tempe Tofu Tumis. Whoop, got too much lemongrass there. Ooh. Got some chili right away. Eddie always makes fun of me because I can only handle 2 chilies instead of the 5 that he normally does, but they can eat stuff pretty spicy in Aceh here. And look how nice, tender, crispy, crunchy sprouts. It's just the best. And I'm telling you, if you want to eat more vegetarian, or maybe even just limit meat, not go all the way, this is an amazing way to start. I maybe eat a bit more meat than I should, but when you have something that is so good and so easy to cook and so healthy, I end up eating way more vegetarian and yeah, feeling great as a result. So yeah, definitely still enjoy meat and things like that, but to mix it up and have at least a few days a week where you're just pure vegetarian, I highly recommend. So for vegetarian curious people, definitely try Eddie's recipe here. And yeah, just the simplicity of it with the natural ingredients, even the bay leaf. Real lemongrass, not too hard to find most places either. A few types of onions is pretty much ingredients that anyone can get. So highly recommended. Thanks to Eddie. I'll link Eddie's homestay below if you're exploring around Sumatra. It's an awesome place to stay. And yeah, I will definitely be back. It's my 5th time here, so thank you very much for watching. And sampai jumpa lagi.